Yes, today I am going to discuss about the multiplication for class 2 students. The title of my lecture is multiplication. Multiplication. This is the title of my lecture. But before giving the lecture, I want to discuss warm up so that lesson should be prepared to understand the multiplication. So the warm up first point they should note is this. First, there is a strong relation between addition and multiplication. This is referred as the phenomena of addition and multiplication is referred as multiplication fact. Fact or repeated addition. I will explain you by giving the example. Second point. Every student in class 2 knows that 4 to the 8. So you can say that we know that 4 into 2 is equal to 8. या ध्यान से देख लीजिएगा. अब देखिए, अब यहां पर क्या है कि 4 is multiplicand. 2 is multiplier. And 8 is product. This is very, very important to define the first term. You can say here first term. This you can call second term. This you call the third term. Clear? Also, this is 4 into 2 is equal to 8. The third thing is the multiplicand and multiplier are exchangeable, interchange. That means 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Now here, first term is 2. So 2 is multiplicand multiplicand, and 4 is multiplier, and 8 is product. That means if you interchange multiplicand and multiplier, the result will be same. So 4, if position of multiplicand and multiplier is interchanged the product remains the same. This is one of the way to define multiplication. Multiplication can be defined another way also. अब देखिए, जरा ध्यान से देखिएगा आप, यहाँ पर जो है, I am giving the example of another method, fifth. अब देखिए, here you have written, I am just making a, you take any one of these, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. जरा मैं इसको, I will write in a different form. I am writing here like this. I am writing here 4. Here I am writing 2. Here I am writing 8. So what is the other form? Other form is here 4 can be referred as number of object in one group. You can say like this. This is the number of group. And this is the total number of object. Here object can be refer. First, it can be a pencil, it can be a trophies, it can be book, it can be any objects you can think over mango. I will explain this. Object. Suppose in a one bucket there is 4 mango. In a one bucket there is a 4 mango. And such bucket is 2. So in one bucket, 4 mango, and there is 2 bucket. That means 4 into 2 is equal to 8. It will be 8 mango. Now I will explain this by giving the example for this multiplication fact in terms of the additive fact. अब देखिए एग्जाम्पल मैं दे रहा हूं एंड एग्जाम्पल आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. Example 1. There will be two examples. An example is that the above multiplication can be understood as follows. अब देखिए, suppose you consider a bracket where we have 4 mango and mango is represented by circle 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a bucket. And another bucket, there is 4 mango. Again, you add this. Here you can write it is a bucket first. Here write bucket second. What is the result? This becomes 8. आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं और you can also write like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. ये एडिशन हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? इसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट बोलेंगे. दिस इज द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट. और अब इसको लिखेंगे कैसे वर्ड्स में? ऐसे लिखेंगे 4 into 2 is equal to 8. अब देखिए this can also be written in the other way. R. Suppose in a one bracket there is 2 mango. सर्किल से रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया. 1 bucket, second bucket, third bucket, fourth bucket. ये फर्स्ट हो गया बकेट, ये सेकंड हो गया, ये थर्ड हो गया, ये फोर्थ हो गया. बच्चों को बताना पड़ेगा कि ऐसे लिखा जाता है, और फर्स्ट को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. अब नाउ all these, there are 4 buckets and each bucket has 2 mango. So total कितना हो जाएगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 और 8. अब देखिए इसको क्या कह सकते हैं? इसको कह सकते हैं 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. ये क्या हो गया? रिपीटेड एडिशन हो गया. जो है क्या हो गया? रिपीटेड एडिशन. और इस रिपीटेड एडिशन में इसको आप दूसरे तीसरे तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं. जैसे 4 2 जा 2 4 जा, तो इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो दैट इज एग्जाम्पल 1 टू शो that the multiplication fact is a function of addition and multiplication. So there is a strong relation between addition and multiplication. Now, I am going to give you another example, example 2. Example 2 on the number line. देखिए एग्जाम्पल 2 मैं दे रहा हूं. 2. Example 2 is multiply 2 and 4 on number line. अब देखिए सॉल्यूशन क्या है. Now, children should know that 2 4s are 8. But after 8, the first tens comes 10. So, step 1. Draw a number line between 0 and 10 as. अब यहां पर देखना है. Now here you draw a line, straight line of your choice, but this 0 should have bigger line. Then you write 10 here and in between write 5 here. This has a significance. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. When you study in a higher class graph, so you will have this thing. And small way you can have a partition of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Similarly here, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ask the student to do by hand and pencil, not scale. So it has a practice. If you use the scale, then the distance between numbers should be same. But they may confuse. Just say, what is the step 2? अब यहाँ ध्यान रखिएगा कि ये जो मल्टीप्लाई 2 and 4 है, तो यहाँ पर 2 into 4 is equal to 8 आपका यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं. क्योंकि मल्टीप्लाई करना यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन मार्क कर सकते हैं. बट सिंस नो द प्रोडक्ट इज 10, 8, so the next 10 is 10. Step 2. Draw semicircle, semicircle of 2 numbers. Four times this 4. Multiplicand, multiplier. So 2 is multiplicand, this is a multiplier. अब कैसे? अब देखिए, 2 एक सेमी सर्किल ऐसे हो गया, एक सेमी सर्किल ऐसे हो गया, third is this, or fourth is this. With the arrow, up further, this 2 is the multiplicand, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is the multiplier. So 4 times को सेमी सर्कल करना है, ठीक है, with arrow in forward direction. अगर आपको ऐड करना है, इसे ऐड करना है, तो आप यहीं पर लिख सकते हैं कि दिस शोज दैट 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 = 8. ये एडिशन हो जाएगा, एडिटिव फैक्ट. सिंस इट इज अ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सो स्टेप 3, draw a semicircle between 0 and 8 with arrow in forward direction. तो अब यहां पर आप इसको ऐसे करेंगे, ये हमारा एरो हो जाएगा, और ये हो जाएगा 2 × 4 = 8. प्रोडक्ट के रूप में ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, समेशन के रूप में ऐसे लिख सकते हैं जो है. अब देखिए, तो रिजल्ट क्या है? स्टेप, एनीवे रिजल्ट इज दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट. So this also show the relation between एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अब उदाहरण के तौर पर इसको आप यहां भी कर सकते, R4 × 2 = 8. अब इसको कैसे दिखाएंगे नंबर लाइन पर? सेम वे, जस्ट गो हियर, 0, 10, 5. अब देखिए, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. अब इसमें क्या 4 हो गया आपका नंबर ऑफ मैंगो इन 1 बास्केट. तो आप 4 2 टाइम्स करिए, 1 4 2 4. Arrow this, this is the first, this is the second, then join this, it will be 4 × 2 = 2. Two things are evident from these two examples. First, multiplicand and multiplier can be interchanged. Like in a addend, in addition, addend position can also be interchanged, but in a minus, this cannot be changed. Minuend and the subtrahend cannot be interchanged. So that will be the end of my lecture, but I will give you one formula also, formula for this to summarize the whole things. I am giving just formula. I will not repeat any things, but I will give you the formula. Same formula for the, here is formula which is used in the higher classes. Multiplicand into multiplier is equal to multiplier into multiplicand is equal to product. This is going to be very useful in the higher classes if you remember. Second, this is the first formula. Second, number of objects in a group into number of group is equal to total number of objects. Here you can also interchange the number of group and number of objects. Thank you very much.